Odor plays an important role for animals. Some animals communicate with smells, some use smells to distinguish their own from strangers, and some use a strong smell to defend themselves from enemies. And when it comes to smelly animals, the skunk immediately comes to mind. This is probably the most popular animal in this category. Skunks are notorious for their anal scent glands, which they can use as a defensive weapon. They are similar to, though much more developed than, the glands found in species of the family Mustelidae. These glands produce the skunk spray, which is a mixture of sulfur-containing chemicals such as thiols, which have an offensive odor. A skunk's spray is powerful enough to ward off bears and other potential attackers. Muscles located next to the scent glands allow them to spray with a high degree of accuracy, as far as 3 mm. Most predators of the Americas, such as wolves, foxes, and badgers, seldom attack skunks, presumably out of fear of being sprayed. The exceptions are reckless predators whose attacks fail once they are sprayed, dogs, and the great horned owl, which is the skunk's only regular predator. Tamandua is a genus of anteaters in the Myrmecophagidae family with 2 species, the southern Tamandua and the northern Tamandua. In case of danger, the animal emits a foul-smelling aerosol from special glands, which is similar to that emitted by a skunk. When threatened while in the trees, the tamandua will firmly grasp the branch with its hind limbs and tail and rear up to confront its attacker with slashing motions of its large, curved claws. When on the ground, it will protect its vulnerable hindquarters by backing against a tree or a rock and lashing out with its forearms. If this does not help, the anteater uses a stinking spray. The tamandua is frequently kept as an exotic pet. Tamanduas are also used occasionally by Amazonian native tribes as a form of biological pest control, utilizing them to rid their dwellings of termites and ants. The striped polecat, also called the zoril. The striped polecat is an aggressive and very territorial animal. It marks its territory with its feces and through an anal spray. The spray serves as a defense against predators, in a similar manner to skunks. The spray, released by anal stink glands, temporarily blinds their adversaries and irritates the mucous membranes, resulting in an intense burning sensation. Before spraying the opponent with this noxious fluid, the striped polecat often takes a threat stance with its back arched, rear end facing the opponent, and tail straight up in the air. Like other mustelids, the striped polecat is a carnivore. It has 34 sharp teeth, which are optimal for shearing flesh and grinding meat. Its diet includes various small rodents, snakes, birds, amphibians, and insects. Many people know this stinking insect. Parent bug is a species of shield bugs or stink bugs belonging to the family Acanthosomatidae. This species, like other parent bugs, possesses metathoracic and abdominal glands, which discharge a foul-smelling secretion. This secretion is used to deter potential enemies and is sometimes released when the bug is disturbed. Elasmucha grisea can reach a length of 6.5–8.8 millimeters. Males are smaller than females. These medium-sized shield bugs are usually brown-reddish, but there are also gray and green-brown specimens. The connexiva are black and white. The upper side is covered with several dark dots. The scutellum usually shows an evident black patch. The ventral face is largely punctuated with black. Take this beetle in your hands and you will immediately feel its smelling odor. The hoatzin or hoaxin is a species of tropical bird found in swamps, riparian forests, and mangroves of the Amazon and the Orinoco basins in South America. One of this species' many peculiarities is its unique digestive system, which contains specialized bacteria in the front part of the gut that break down and ferment the foliar material they consume. Unlike ruminants, however, which possess a rumen, the hoatzin has an unusually large crop that is folded into 2 chambers with a large, multi-chambered lower esophagus. Because of aromatic compounds in the leaves they consume and the bacterial fermentation required to digest them, the birds have a disagreeable manure-like odor and are only hunted by humans for food in times of dire need. Local people also call it the stink bird because of it. Bombardier beetles are ground beetles, which are most notable for the defense mechanism that gives them their name. When disturbed, they eject a hot, noxious chemical spray from the tip of the abdomen with a popping sound. The spray is produced from a reaction between two hypergolic chemical compounds, hydroquinone and hydrogen peroxide, which are stored in two reservoirs in the beetle's abdomen. Heat from the reaction brings the mixture to near the boiling point of water and produces gas that drives the ejection. The damage caused can be fatal to attacking insects. Some bombardier beetles can direct the spray in a wide range of directions. That's all for today. Have any of you encountered smelliest animals? Tell us about it in the comments.